Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about one of the best AI tools which helps us to edit an image. Just see how I am changing the t-shirt for this buy. I'm not using any Photoshop. Just with the one click I'm changing this t-shirt. That is with the AI tool. So without wasting time, let me show how we can use that tool. The tool name is called Adobe Firefly. Just go to Google and type it for Adobe Firefly. This is the tool. Once open this link, just you have to log in into it and choose your country. Just I'm choosing India English. Once you log in into this one, this is Firefly is in beta version. Just we have to click on this button. So then it will open this Adobe Firefly. Right now these three options are available here. First one is like text to image. Once you give the text, based on your text it will generate an image. And also the second one is like you can edit an image whatever the want you want. And also the third option is like we can give some effects for the text in this way. And also we have some other tools are available in near future. Okay, let me show how we can use this generative fill. You can use the existing templates which we have, else you can upload an image. Let me try with an image upload. I'm going to upload one of my image. So uploaded this image. So just I want to change this t-shirt for this one. So just what I'm about to do, just remove this dress like this. Just whatever the part you want to change, just you have to select like this. You have to remove this part. Just I'm keeping the hands as it is and just only removing the t-shirt. Okay, so just I'll remove this dress part. So just I'm changing the t-shirt for this one. Just we have to give the prompt here. Just I'm giving the just I want to try with the t-shirt. So t-shirt for boy and click and generate. So just give some time. So it will analyze in the background and try to generate a t-shirt and apply it for this image. And it will give three to four options here. Just you can choose whatever the want you want. And if you did not like anything, just it will also give some more option. Once you have click on more option, it will generate one. So now the t-shirts are ready. So it generated three images with the three different types of t-shirts like this. And if you did not like these three t-shirts, you can also click on this more option, so that it will generate few more images. Next option is like text effects. Let me show how we can use this one. Just click on this one. So here we have a lot of templates with the letters, so you can use whatever you want. For example, I want to use this one. Just click on this one and it tried the template with the Firefly. Just you can change it to your name or whatever the name you want. Just I'm trying with Raj. Just give me some time, so it will change your name to the template which you have chosen. So now it has created nicely. So like this you can choose the template which are available here and given the text here. Let me show other option like generating the image with the text. Just click on this one. So now these are the available images which have already generated by using the text prompt. Let me try to generate one image. For example, cat under the tree. Just click on generate. So now it is trying to generate a cat under the tree. Here we have some options like the content type, how exactly you want to. So now it is generated the image successfully. Here we have options like how the image should be generated. Like by default it is selected as art, that is why it is generated like this. If I change it to photo, so it will try to generate like a natural photo. Just wait for a few seconds, then it will generate a cat under the tree. So now how nicely it is created. So if you want to edit, suppose if you have liked this image, but if you want to still edit some changes, just you can go to the edit option and do these options which are available. So like this this Adobe Firefly is much more useful for edit an image or if you want to generate an images. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel for more tools like this, to get more tool like this.